Hello everyone, today we would like to introduce our official website. This is Sunhose official website. We want to make your website experience easier. That's why we redesigned our website with you in mind. Have a look. You'll notice easier navigation, a sleek new design, enhanced site search, and even new content. This is about us. We can check our full information of products from here. PVC hoses, such as lay flat hose, clear reinforced hose, and so on. Rubber material of hose, hydraulic hose and air hose, suction hose. Hose clamps, fittings and cam lock coupling. So how can we visit the website efficiently? We can use the search function. Search for keywords you are interested in. For example, input pool hose here. Now we will find the full information on the pool hose and pages. If you would like to contact us via online, please click here to contact us via WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.